I want to show you how to make one of the most popular candles in the world, and that's coconut candle. We need an aluminum foil and we need to actually do this. Put it in a big cup to shape it like this. Our mold is ready. We need melted soy wax, brown for outside and white for inside. Before we pour the melted soy wax in the mold, we need to heat them. After we move the brown soy wax around inside, we use the white soy wax. We do it again. After 10 or 15 times, this is ready to put on the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Now we smooth the inside with a spoon. Wait for a few hours and then put the jelly wax inside. This is jelly wax. Now we melt it. This is ready. Use coconut essence to make it smell really coconutty. This is the most beautiful coconut candle in the world.